dear friends. This is the InStyle Knitting Studio. Today, we will learn to knit pearl twisted stitches. They are also called grandmother's stitches. For the sample, I cast on 10 stitches. I took one needle and placed it in my right hand. The needle with the cast on stitches is in my left. How to knit grandmother's pearl stitches. Slip the edge stitch onto the right needle. Place the working yarn in front of the work. Insert the right needle into the stitch from right to left. Wrap the working yarn around our right needle clockwise. This way, we hook the working yarn with our right needle and pull it through the stitch. Remove our stitch from the left needle. Shift the work to the right. Once again, place the working yarn in front, insert the needle into the stitch right to left and hook the working yarn from above. That is, the yarn goes clockwise. Pull working yarn and shift the work to the right needle. Again, place the working yarn in front of the work. Insert the needle into the stitch, hook the working yarn from above, pull it through the stitch from bottom to top, and shift the created stitch to the right needle. This way, we insert the needle into the stitch from right to left. Hook the working yarn from above, pull it through, and shift everything to the right needle. Again, yarn in front of the work. Insert the needle into the stitch from right to left. Wrap the right needle with the working yarn clockwise. Pull our yarn and shift to the right needle. Loop the right needle over our working yarn. We are shifting all this to the right needle. Capture the working yarn from above. We will knit the last stitch as a grandmother's pearl stitch as well. This is how simple it is to knit twisted pearl stitches or granny stitches. If you have any questions, please ask. Subscribe and give likes. We will meet you at the next class. Bye bye.